to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel.
And we're off to Santorini. This is what you see.
I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. Just to you. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has
Oh, hi, FK gang. How y'all doing? As you can tell, we just landed in Santorini, and it's amazing. The place is unbelievable, breathtaking. You know, I have a little small over here, but it's worth the size. Trust me. So come on and let me give you a little small tour. As you can see, you can have coffee, tea, a few wine glasses, refrigerator, pack refrigerator. And our TV. One thing you should remember, guys, when you're traveling to Europe, always get your plug, because the plug here is different from the US, if you're coming from the US or other Western country, all right? So that's our TV, our little lamp, cute little lamp, my little luggage bag, and oh no, I gotta show you my flag, closet with an extra pillow, and my bag sitting right there. And over here is our little bedroom. What I love about this room, I love the top, the wood design. It just gives you a different feeling, you know, because it's built into the wall. See that? Step up. Jump from my bed. and guys, from the bed, I have an amazing view. All right, here is the view. Here we have a little built-in day bed, and from the bed, lying in bed, I can see this amazing view. So how do I get here? We have an up top right here. We just step up on the day bed and slip right into the hot tub. But guys, look at the view. Okay guys, as you see, that really nice, cute little view. It's like an expensive view. Let's go to the bathroom. So guys, here we have the bathroom with a his and hers face basin. But guess what? There's no his and hers here today. It's me and the camera girl, so it's hers and hers, right? I like the first fixtures. Shape of the mirror. Love it. I wonder if this is live. Yep, they have a live little cactus here. A little shampoo, conditioner, and a shower. Will I be taking a shower? I'll be doing hot tub. And camera girl is breaking down the stuff. Oh, where is that? You know, you here flush the toilet on the wall. This is how you flush your toilet. I won't flush it. And this is the back of the bed. See, it's a glass. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. But now, I have to take you outside, guys, so you can see the $1 million view. It's time for the $1 million. I like the woodwork, those big wood structure. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. Let's see what I got. Here it is, guys. There's so many people walking through the walkway so that they can get great pictures while we have it all here. Look at that, guys. Taking pictures. Nobody taking. Yes, guys. This is it. This is it, guys. Just enjoy with me. Enjoy. Enjoy. Bye-bye. So guys, I'm tired and I'm full. But guess what? Guess who's going into the hot tub? Ooh. And it's nice and warm and waiting for me. And look at my view. You see my view? Yes. In the hot tub I go. Nice. Ginger, wine, devour, monster.
You know what I do?
Crash.
I just can't believe that 2 hours in front of shooters in the day after. Yeah, I said, listen, back up. Not just shooters in front of Miss B.